sure I'm unmuted. Hi, this is Deb Joyce Meek from Delight of My Art. Just making sure I can see everything. Just a moment. You can see I finally took my Christmas tree down mid-January. Ta-da! Okay, just a moment. I think I'm live. I don't see the video yet. Just a second. Okay, yes. Sorry. I just wanted to pop on today to say happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And the kids didn't have school today, and I was a little bummed that I wouldn't have a quiet morning this morning. And my really good friend offered to have them over for a little bit this morning slash afternoon around lunchtime, just to be so kind. Thank you so much, Danielle. And it got me thinking, why are we having this day? Why do we celebrate Martin Luther King Jr.? And I looked up, and he has a great quote that says, "Everybody can be great because everybody can serve." And so today's a good service day. It's a federal holiday dedicated to a day of service. And so I thought, you know what? With card making, we're in a service industry. We bring joy to people when we mail them a card. And so I got to thinking, why don't we make cards and put them in the post office or on a bulletin board in a coffee shop or something as free, cards for people to send to people? Wouldn't that be a nice act of service? That's something that we can do in this time where we're supposed to be disconnected and distanced from everybody. So I thought this was a great way to give back to the community without touching everyone. Giving a physical hug. We can give paper hugs in the mail. So I wanted to turn you down to the desktop here and show you the projects that I have in mind. This is really kind of, again, using my stash. Some old products that are wonderful products, but I've been neglecting because, as crafters, we have a whole bunch of stuff that we just love to collect things and like know that it's there and pet it sometimes. So I thought, oh, you know what? I'm going to take some of this paper out. I'm going to cut it up. I'm going to make little card kits. Some of the cards I'm going to make completely and put them somewhere for people just to take. And some of the cards I'm going to make card kits for crafty people. I think that will bring people joy as well. So let me turn this down for just a second. Okay. All right, and scoot this forwards. So here's one of the cards I just threw together real quick. Hi, Becky, thanks. I think it's a good idea too. And Danielle inspired this because she was so kind to me today. So thank you, Danielle. This is all your idea, I'm going to say. So here's one of the cards I made. This is just one of our note cards, and I thought this will be the quickest and easiest way to get more cards into people's hands. So this is one that I put together, and I guess I'll just maybe put it in a bag. And I'm not sure how to display these yet, so where people will know that they can just grab this and take it for free. But I'll still have to figure that part out. So if you are watching this because you've picked up a free card pack or a free card and don't know what this is about, hello, welcome. I'm so glad you're watching this later when it's not live. So this one is just one of our note cards again. It's 5 inches by 3.5 inches, and I just cut a bunch of designer series paper down 1/4 inch. So this is 3 1/4 by 4 3/4. And I just cut a bunch of layered white pieces with a matching color to go with whatever patterned paper I had. So I have a bunch of pieces, and I thought I'd show you. I just put one together because I needed to get on this video and pick my kids up because Danielle's been so kind. But so I've got the note cards all folded and everything ready to go. I've got some envelopes ready to go, and I've got some pieces. So I thought, okay, so I could put this piece in and you don't even have to have a saying on the front. If people don't have stamps and ink, that's totally fine. I'll include maybe some little flowers or something for people to kind of decorate the front with, and then they can glue that down with whatever glue that they have. And I will be, again, putting some together completely. So I thought what I would include in my little card kits is maybe a small piece of ribbon, enough to go around this front panel, so maybe 4 inches, and you could fold it like this and stick it behind something. You could lay it flat this way. You could have your card go this way and have kind of a ribbon going somewhere. So you can be creative if you pick up one of the card kits that isn't completely done yet. And if you have one that is completely done, please send it in the mail to someone to share your love with them and give them a virtual hug. So I just thought that was a really fun idea. So let me show you some of the pieces that I used. I used our little flower punch here, and I decorated the envelope. I don't know if you can see this. I glued one on the envelope flap just to kind of decorate that. I don't know if I can see. Oh yeah, there. You can see that. Just flat. I didn't use any dimensionals. This is a super simple project, kind of to help you have fun, get creative, and get rid of some of the things in your stash to help you declutter, because it's the new year and you deserve to buy new fun things instead of hoarding onto your old stuff. So this is a fun, I thought this was a fun idea. So we've got that right there. Let's see, what else could we do? I've got this color, and I had, what other punches? So we've got this shape right here. Oh, I've got this layering oval punch that's new. And that was fun to cut out, and that's super simple. So you could even have it tilted like this. I thought another idea was for someone to cut this panel right here and flip part of it over, like we did the snip and flip. So you'd have a different pattern at the bottom, run that ribbon across, and maybe put this sentiment right there. That would be cute. Let's see what else we got. I didn't cut everything apart yet, so I just wanted to get on this video and share this idea so that you guys could get started crafting too. So let's see, I've got a bunch of different patterns. I just didn't pull them all out yet, I guess. So here's another layering oval. This is Fresh Fig, an old designer series paper. And I punched out a few of these sprigs in white. That would go with everything. I also pulled out these neat vanilla note cards and envelopes. I think that these are a little bit older, so these are all retired, but it's in my stash and I'm not using it. So I thought I'd put something together with those. Those came with envelopes. And I found these crumb cake note cards and envelopes, which are so cute. And we don't offer those anymore either, and so I've been hoarding them for no reason. So I'm gonna make card kits and give those away. I've got some old designer series paper color stacks. So this is an in color. I think this is available last catalog. So I've got some old paper stacks there. You can just chop those up. And then I found these really cute note cards and envelopes too in my stash, these nice scalloped edges, and I wasn't sure what to do with them at the time, so I'm just gonna cut up some paper, or maybe even just maybe some strips of patterns to just make really simple cards just to give away. So I hope that this inspires you to do something really creative and fun and give cards to people, whether they're created, whether they're a card kit, to mail cards to people. Bring a smile to someone's face today, and especially today, but every day, that you can just bring joy to someone else's life. I know that times are hard right now. Everybody's lonely, and to get some happy mail instead of a bill in the mail is just going to brighten someone's day. So I hope that you participate in this Spread the Joy movement today. And again, Martin Luther King Jr.'s quote was, "Everybody can be great because everybody can serve." So I hope you join me. I'll be posting pictures of some of the cards that I make, besides this one that I got together at the moment. So this one is using Rhonda Wade's ridiculously awesome stamp set, but literally you can use any stamp set, or even just draw on here, you know, hello or hi, hugs, are some great sayings that you could have on the cards. So I hope this inspires you. Have a great day, and I'd love to see any cards that you make. If you want to snap a picture and post it below before you send it in the mail, that would be wonderful to inspire other people too. Have a great day, guys.